What's the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting? A lot of us use these words interchangeably, but they're actually quite different, and knowing when to use each can make a big difference in keeping your environment safe and healthy. First up, cleaning. This is what you're doing when you remove dirt, dust, or visible messes. You're wiping away debris, but it's mostly about appearance. Cleaning doesn't necessarily get rid of germs, so while things may look neat, bacteria and viruses could still be present. Next is sanitizing. Sanitizing reduces the number of germs on a surface, but doesn't kill them all. It's a step up from cleaning, making an area safer by lowering the amount of bacteria and viruses, but it's not designed to fully eliminate them. Finally, we have disinfecting, and this is where things get serious. Disinfecting uses chemicals to kill germs, including bacteria and viruses, on surfaces. To be effective, disinfectants need to stay on the surface for a few minutes. Disinfecting is especially important in high-touch areas like doorknobs, light switches, and countertops. One effective product for disinfecting is BenzaRid disinfectant spray. It's EPA registered and designed to kill a wide range of germs, including viruses and bacteria, on contact. BenzaRid works on multiple surfaces, whether you're in a household or even a hospital environment. It provides thorough disinfection to help keep spaces safe and clean. So, remember, clean to remove dirt, sanitize to reduce germs, and disinfect to kill germs. Understanding the difference and using the right process will help you keep your spaces healthier and safer.